Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to take off this windshield screen molding on Lexus 2022 Lexus NX450. First I have to remove this rubber bottom, what these 2 or 3 clips is in. It's easy to come off without any tool. It's all rubber, no breakable. And then the tricky part, this is a breakable. So what I tried, I just put my finger in and try very gently without any tool and just pulling up. I remember the old days when I was very inexperienced. I tried, oh, and underneath I'm just pulling out. I tried with screwdriver and the screen just go away. So yeah, very nice. Is no broken, nothing broken. This ears is very easy to broken, so that is why I need lightly moving. And this one no broken, so this is the best way to take off without any damage. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Bye bye.